Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I am still clearing out boxes and containers. This is one of my big plastic drawers that go in my plastic drawer holders. It's just full of fabric, etc., and I need to sort it out, so I thought I would just switch the camera on and show you what's in here and how we end up tidying it up. So I'm going to push this to one side. The first thing is this huge, actually, vintage tablecloth that I found, which I wanted to cut up to put into some of my vintage packs, because it's lovely and brown and cream, and I just thought it would be amazing to share that around. So this really needs to be cut up into pieces, really, so that I can share the love with that. So let's fold that up. And I need a to-do box, really, of things that I need to do, so that can go over there. This one here is like a net curtain, but I just thought I would coffee dye this. So I do have a box of things which are due to be coffee dyed, and I'll do a video on my process, how to do them. So that's in my to-do list as well. So let me just fold this up. I have quite a few fabrics that I've picked up, or net curtains and things that need to be coffee dyed, so we'll put that one over there. Now what else do we have? Okay, we have another cream runner here, which actually I quite like that being cream. So let's fold that up for a minute, and we will try and make this a tidier basket. So that one I'm not going to coffee dye, because I kind of quite like it being cream. I have some Hessian. Is it no burlap? Hessian? Is it Hessian? Burlap? What's the difference between burlap and Hessian? Good question. These are just pieces of fabric, like canvasy, not canvas. Oh my gosh. Quite thick fabric anyway, that I use for my fabric pockets and that. So I've cut all these up to make like little tuck spots and pockets, etc. So these are ready to be decorated with fabric, so we'll put that there. This is one of my fabrics that I use behind images, so that can go in. I have in my tray fast, I have a drawer that has fabrics to use there. So, and this one as well probably could go in there. So we'll put them there, and they can go in the tray fast, I think. This one has actually been coffee dyed, so that again could go in my tray fast container rather than here, because then I can use it. So we'll put that one to go in the tray fast. Then I have some netty fabric. Oh my gosh. Then we have, oh my goodness me, I have more net curtain that I need to coffee dye. This is way too white. It's lovely and lacy and sheer, so that's to go in my coffee dyed pile, as are these items here. I think actually I've just put loads of things in there that need coffee dyeing, so that's going to be coffee dyed as well. I might as well do a big batch of coffee dyeing. Then I have some cream net, which I could coffee dye as well, because that's very cream, so that could be coffee dyed. I have some gold net here, let's put that there, which is fine as it is. That could probably go in my tray fast, and I could use that on some projects. So let's put that over there. This is a piece of it's quite a nice color actually, so I don't know if I'll bother coffee dyeing that. That can just be cut up into little snippets, so that can go in my tray fast. Right, now do I need all of this? What do we have in here? Right, I have some tea bags, which I do have a container, a box for my tea bags, but I do need to coffee dye some, so I may as well put that in my coffee dye pile. This is the iron-on thing that you use to iron fabric onto fabric. Fabric onto fabric, or fabric, yeah. You know, the iron-on, oh, I don't know what you call it. What do you call it? Don't know, do not know. So that can go in my sewing box. So let's put that over there. This is like taffeta. I think this would be fun to coffee dye this lovely cream taffeta fabric. So we can coffee dye that and see what that turns out like as well. I have some lovely green silky yummy satin that can go in my fabric, one of my fabric Kallax boxes, I think. So that can go over there. Now I have these linen tablecloths which are vintage, so these can all go in my vintage box. I have a box of vintage things. Right, we are getting somewhere. Now I have some more netty stuff here. This is fine net. Now surely I do not need all of that. I think what I'm going to do is keep one piece and coffee dye it. And what I'll do is I'll maybe break this up into some bits and do this as a giveaway, or, you know, include it in a giveaway, I think. So that can go over there. I have another, oops, that's a brooch to go in my brooch container. And then I have this lovely cream, look at this, just gorgeous. I think I might cut this up into bits to put in my vintage packs, because this is gorgeous. I think it is a vintage old tablecloth or something, I believe. So that one can be cut up and included in some of the packs, because it's absolutely gorgeous. So that can go over there. Right, we have some Velcro. Do I need Velcro? No, I don't. It's only one side. It isn't both sides of it, which is a bit silly, really. I don't know where I got it from, so that can go in the bin. Oh, I found another brooch hair clip, which will just be gorgeous. That can go in my brooch box. Oh, I found this lovely pink sparkly net. So I think that needs to go in, maybe go in my tray fast, because then I can use it. It's only a little roll, isn't it? Then I have some burlap rolls. They're good for putting on projects. So I have 2 of those, I believe. That can be thrown away. That's got to go. Oh, I don't think I shall use this green net, so I might put that in as a giveaway with the other one. I have more of this burlap. Now these were some labels from some wedding dresses, and I just thought that these would be fun to glue on projects, maybe. I don't know, we'll put them over there. Let's do this up. I think actually we've emptied a box, because all of this other things can go in other places. I found another brooch, which is a gorgeous poppy, which I did do a poppy journal. I bought 2 of them, so that can go in my brooch thing. I found my flower press, which I'm yet to use. And then we have an empty container. So look, my container is empty from my drawer. So what I'll do is I'm going to put all of these bits away. I'm going to do some coffee dyeing. The only other thing I need to sort out is I found this bag of tassels. Excuse me. Lots and lots of tassels. And I don't know, shall I keep them? I have used them on some projects, actually. I probably don't need all of them. So what I might do is sort out some of these tassels for giveaways. Look, they're pretty cute, because what you can do is I cut this. Where's that one gone? This one here, for instance. Well, it's not a very good example. Maybe this one here. what you could do is sew through the middle of that. But see, these are a little bit, oh, I don't know. Do you know what? I don't think I'm going to use them. That one you could sew through the middle and cut that bit off, but I really don't know if I could be bothered with it, to be honest. I excuse me, will hold on to these for a bit. If anybody wants a handful of these tassels or a little bag of these tassels, just leave a message in the comments below. If nobody wants them, I will give them back to my scrap store, I think, because I don't think I'm actually going to use them on anything. So if anybody wants a handful of tassels, I'll put like 30 or 40 in a bag and I can send them to you. So just let me know, really. Otherwise, they are going back to the scrap store. So I have lots and lots of coffee dyeing to do. I have an empty box, which pleases me because I can now bring other things upstairs. All I've got to do now is put all of these things away, which I won't bore you with. I'm just, excuse me, trying to empty containers and, excuse me, make more room, to be more organised, etc. So I know it probably was a bit boring, this video, but maybe you did enjoy seeing what I've got. So I will give away this net in a giveaway, and if obviously anyone wants any of those tassels, just let me know. So I will come back another day and show you what I've actually put in this lovely empty drawer, and I'm going to go and put all these things away. So thanks for tuning in, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.